Now that we have the new WooCommerce customer custom field created, we can easily add some information that we want to be available in our customer profile sections. To do this, all we need to do is click on the edit icon on the right side of the newly created field. This will turn the text into a text placeholder where we can add or edit the existing information. Depending on the type of field, there will be a different field input. For example, for numeric fields there will be a number input, and for drop-down fields, you will see a select drop-down with all of the predefined options. Loading existing WooCommerce checkout fields data. Some of your WooCommerce checkout fields are stored as custom user meta fields. This is useful for us because this means that we can easily load this data into users' insights. The process is the same we do with other custom fields, but this time we'll need to use the WooCommerce keys. Search and filter WooCommerce customers by using custom fields data. It is important to note that all this custom information is also available on the Users Insights user table, as well as in the Users Insights smart filters, which means that you can search and filter your WooCommerce customers by this information. You can make the custom fields visible on the user table by clicking on the eye icon and selecting the names of the fields that you want to show. Once you make them visible, you can easily preview the custom fields data of your WooCommerce customers on the user table. You can also sort the table by any of these fields. Here is an example where we have made the custom fields age, phone number and occupation visible in the user table, and sorted the user list by the age field. All the custom WooCommerce customer fields are also available in the Users Insights filters, meaning that you can filter your customer list by any of those fields. For example, you might want to find the list of customers that are older than a specific age, and/or the ones whose occupation is related with management. You can do all of this with the help of the Users Insights filters. Now we know how to filter users based on some of their custom fields. Let's spice things up with a bit of WooCommerce data as well. There are a lot of WooCommerce specific columns and filters that contain WooCommerce account data. For example, customer lifetime value, number of orders, first and last order date, wishlist products, reviews, purchased products, coupon usage, order status. Let's say you've run a campaign for developers, and you want to check out how many developers have used a certain coupon code. You can do that by combining the has used coupon and the user's occupation filters. You can even further segment the user list by the ordered products.